Two AI tools, same 10 tasks, one honest verdict. I'm not sponsored by either of these companies. I paid for both, and I ran the same tests on both so you don't have to. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use and for what. Most comparisons between Claude and ChatGPT are either surface level or secretly biased toward whoever paid for the ad slot. This one isn't. I ran 10 identical tasks across both tools and scored them on quality, accuracy, and usefulness. Let me show you the results. I gave both tools the same prompt. Write a 500-word blog post about remote work productivity. ChatGPT's version was solid, clear structure, decent flow, but it felt a bit generic. The kind of thing you'd read on a corporate blog. Claude's version was noticeably more conversational. The tone felt more human. It made an interesting point that ChatGPT missed completely. Winner, Claude. Especially for anything where you want personality in the writing. I asked both to explain a complex topic, specifically how the U.S. Federal Reserve manages inflation, and then I fact-checked the responses. Both were largely accurate. But ChatGPT with web browsing pulled in more recent data. Claude was more thorough in its explanation, but occasionally used older figures. If you need current information, ChatGPT's browsing feature gives it an edge. If you need depth and clarity of explanation, Claude wins. Winner, tie. Depends on whether you need current data or deep explanation. I asked both to write an opening scene for a short thriller story. ChatGPT gave me something competent. It followed the genre conventions well. Claude genuinely surprised me. It took a more unexpected angle and the prose was better. It felt less like AI and more like a writer. For anything creative, fiction, marketing copy, scripts, Claude is my preference. Winner, Claude. I gave both a Python debugging task, a broken script that wasn't returning the right output. Both found the bug. ChatGPT explained the fix more clearly, step by step, which is helpful if you're learning. Claude fixed it with fewer words, but also suggested a more elegant refactor I hadn't asked for. For pure coding, especially if you're a developer, ChatGPT's step-by-step explanations are great for beginners. Claude is better if you just want the best code fast. Winner, depends on your level. Here's my simple breakdown. Use Claude when writing, creative work, long document analysis, research summaries. Use ChatGPT when you need real-time web browsing, you're learning to code and want explanations, or you're using plugins. Honestly, I use both. Claude is my default writing assistant. ChatGPT is my research and coding tool. Both free tiers are good. Both paid tiers are worth it at $20 a month if you use them daily. Drop in the comments which one you prefer and why. I'm genuinely curious. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews every week. See you next time.